How to enable Smart Rotate screen feature. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can enable Smart Rotate screen feature. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. And without any further ado, let's jump right into it. To enable smart screen rotation, so what you can do is swipe down from the top. Go to your quick settings. Now here you will find your auto rotate or rotation icon. It might say portrait or landscape as well. So if you see it, simply turn it on. This will turn on your auto rotate and it will usually glow or turn blue to show it's active. Now, instead of this, what you can also do is locate your settings app, go to display. On display, if you scroll down, you might find the auto rotate screen option. If you tap on it, you will enable it. And yeah, if you're inside there, you might find smart rotate screen feature as well. So you can enable that as well. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.